This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at barcode scanner usage with the SE-C3500 register. This video presumes you've seen our previous videos on how to connect the scanner to the register and then how to program your barcode items onto the machine. If you've not seen those, then check out the video links at the end of this one and they'll be there showing you how to program the machine. So this video is basically just going to give a brief overview of how you actually use the scanner once everything's set up. So obviously, just like a normal sales transaction, you'd have the key in the reg mode, and if you've got cashiers set up on the register, you'd be signed in, as I am. And then all you do is take the scanner and point the beam at the barcode. When you do this, the product description and price appears on the display. If you're selling multiples of an item, you can enter the quantity here and then press the multiply button here and then scan the item, and it'll then add the quantity of those items and do the calculation for you. You can enter open sales items, so items that aren't on the barcode system, alongside your barcode scanning items, and then, as with a normal transaction, subtotal and then cash off in the most appropriate fashion using either the cash amount 10 button or your CHK tender button here. The items will appear on the end of day report. If you do a refund for a scanned item, again it's exactly the same operation depending on how your till's set up. So in the reg mode you'd press RF and then scan the barcode item, cash it off in the normal way, or you can turn the key round to the RF position and scan the item that way once you've signed in. Key thing would be to remember to turn the key back to the reg mode. So yeah, basically that's how to use the barcode scanner with the SE-C3500. The videos are appearing on screen now showing you how to set the scanner up with the till and also how to program your individual items, so they're worth checking out if you've not already done that. You can also subscribe to this channel for more or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.